held the real estate investing. Location, leverage, landlord.
Singapore, and I was listening to this banker from Australia pitching the Chinese, which I thought was interesting. And the banker got up, was National Australia Bank, is that National Australia Bank? And as a woman, and she says, in real estate, there's only three things, and what are they? Location, location, location. And that's the biggest bunch of crock I'd ever heard in my whole life, you know. Because it has nothing to do with location. Market is this, it's not location, it's market. What's the market doing? That's my question. I don't care if it's real estate, stocks, bonds, precious metal. What's the market doing? Number two, what are the laws? Laws either operate in your favor or against you. You can tell which laws are good for you. The reason I don't buy in California real estate is for one reason. What's that reason? What law? Eviction. You know, in Arizona, one of the wonderful things I have apartment houses and mini storages. Over here, the eviction law was 14 days, and this very intellectual state said we'll cut it down to 5 days. So we can evict now in 5 days. Because when you run an apartment house, unlike, and I own deals with John, where the guy owns a house and we don't evict him. But the laws make the difference. So the reason I don't buy in the Socialist Republic of California is because there are a bunch of commies out there. You know, so I don't buy from them. I don't buy in Hawaii also, even though location is beautiful. In Hawaii, you know, everybody said the location was to have oceanfront. Remember that? What happened? Hurricane. What happened right after the hurricane hit it? Insurance went up. So insurance went up like 4 times their mortgages. So location is not, you know, so the reason there's a market is because there's people out there who are being ill-advised by the industry itself. Does that make sense, you guys here? They're ill-advised by the, you know, there's a saying, I'm from the government, I'm here to help you. You know, I'm from the bank, I'm here to help you. I'm a real estate agent, I'm here to help you. Well, they're here to help who first, though? Themselves. And so the same with you as an investor. If you always know that 95% of the people out there are not educated, you'll always have a market. There's somebody who will do something stupid out there. And then the last reason I always ask is, reason for selling. Those are I don't care about the location at all. So those are the 3 parameters. You know, I go quickly. What's the market doing? Up, down? What are my laws? Reason for sale. And if it reaches in that, if it fits into my little world right there, I'll consider talk, and then location might come into play.